Styling rock band T-shirts for everyday fashion. Title: Styling rock band T-shirts for everyday fashion. Introduction. Fashion is a means of self-expression, and one popular way to showcase your personal style is through band T-shirts. Among the myriad of choices available, rock band T-shirts hold a special place in fashion enthusiasts' hearts. They not only pay homage to legendary music but also allow individuals to embrace their musical preferences. In this article, we will explore the art of styling rock band T-shirts for everyday fashion, providing you with unique ideas to create trendy and versatile looks. 1. Understanding the appeal of rock band T-shirts. Rock band T-shirts have become iconic symbols representing rebellion, counterculture, and musical passion. Wearing a band T-shirt not only demonstrates your appreciation for a particular artist or band but also signifies your connection to a particular music genre or era. While these shirts are often associated with casual outfits, we will explore how to incorporate them into different fashion styles. 2. Casual chic. The most common way to style rock band T-shirts is by pairing them with jeans. To elevate your casual chic outfit, choose a well-fitted T-shirt and tuck it into high-waisted jeans. Complete the look with a leather jacket and ankle boots. This combination exudes an effortlessly cool vibe, perfect for a casual day out with friends or a music festival. 3. Athleisure inspiration. For a sporty twist on everyday fashion, consider incorporating your rock band T-shirts into an athleisure ensemble. Pair it with black or patterned leggings, comfortable sneakers, and a baseball cap. Add a denim or leather jacket to keep the look edgy yet relaxed. 4. Feminine and flirty. Contrasting the rock band T-shirt with feminine elements creates an interesting juxtaposition. Tuck your band T-shirt into a high-waisted skirt or a pleated midi skirt and add a belt for definition. Pair it with strappy sandals or chunky heels to lend a touch of femininity. Accessorize with delicate jewelry and a crossbody bag to complete your chic, flirty outfit. 5. Layering magic. Layering is a fantastic way to add depth and versatility to your rock band T-shirt outfits. For colder months, wear a chunky cardigan, oversized flannel shirt, or denim jacket over the T-shirt. Layering not only keeps you warm but also adds visual interest to your ensemble. Be creative with different textures, colors, and lengths to create unique and eye-catching looks. 6. Retro vibes. To achieve a vintage-inspired look, pair your rock band T-shirt with high-waisted shorts or flared jeans. Add platform shoes or ankle boots and accessorize with round sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat. This outfit will transport you back to the heyday of rock and roll, inspired by iconic musicians of the past. 7. Dress it up. Rock band T-shirts can also be incorporated into dressier occasions. Opt for a band T-shirt with a more intricate design or pair it with a sequined skirt or tailored pants. Layer a blazer on top and complete the look with statement heels or ankle boots. This unexpected combination will make you stand out at a music event or a night out with friends. 8. DIY customization. Don't be afraid to make your rock band T-shirts truly unique by customizing them. Cut the T-shirt into a crop top, add some lacing or distressing details, or turn it into a tank top. You can also experiment with tie-dye techniques or add patches and pins to personalize your shirt further. 9. Rock and roll accessories. To enhance your rock band T-shirt outfits, consider adding some statement accessories. A leather-studded belt can cinch in your waist and add an edgy touch to your look. Layer multiple silver or metallic necklaces for a rock-inspired jewelry ensemble. Don't forget to adorn your fingers with chunky rings or stackable rings to complete the rock and roll aesthetic. 10. Monochromatic style. For a sleek and modern take on styling your rock band t-shirts, opt for a monochromatic color scheme. Choose a black band t-shirt and pair it with black skinny jeans or leather leggings. Add a black leather jacket or blazer for a chic and coordinated look. Finish off the ensemble with black ankle boots or high-top sneakers for a fashion-forward monochrome outfit. 11. Boho-inspired ensemble. If you love the bohemian style, you can incorporate your rock band t-shirt into a boho-inspired outfit. Pair it with a flowy maxi skirt in a vibrant print or a suede fringe skirt. Add some chunky bohemian jewelry, such as layered beaded necklaces and statement earrings. Complete the look with sandals or ankle boots with intricate details, and you'll achieve the perfect fusion of rock and boho fashion. 12. Business casual twist. Surprisingly, you can even incorporate rock band t-shirts into a business casual setting.